Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In this video demonstration, I'm going to show you how to install the RedmineUP Questions plugin on a Bitnami stack that is installed on a Linux operating system. So the very first thing that you have to do is to open your core Redmine folder, which in our case is 4117, and then find the manager Linux run file. Here you have to double click and your Bitnami stack manager is going to start. Into the Manage Servers tab you have to click on Start All button and your database as well as web server are going to be started. Okay, so we have our processes running now. Let's go and check if everything is correct. So we have to wait a little bit because Redmine needs some time for starting. Okay, so our Redmine has just started and we could check our plugins list. Here we are going to install the Questions plugin. So the very first thing that you have to do now is to download the very latest version of the Questions plugin, that is 103 Pro. However, if you would like also, you could download the light free version of the plugin that is done via our site RedmineUp.com. So we have to go into plugins and then search for Questions. Here you have to click on download and then enter your email address. The plugin is going to be sent immediately and you are going to receive it. So this is the way, and the Pro version is downloaded via your license manager. Okay, so the steps for installation are the same for both Pro version as well as the light free version. So let's go and see what are the steps. You have to first extract the archive and then go into the inner folder. Here you have to copy this one, Redmine/questions, and then go into your core Redmine folder. So here you have to find the apps folder and then Redmine and then htdocs and then plugins. Okay, so here you have to paste it. Okay, the next thing is that you have to open your command line and then navigate to your core Redmine folder again and then run the use Redmine file. It is done in this way, /use Redmine. So now we are into Redmine. The next step is to go into your into the following directory. It is home, the core Redmine folder, and then apps, Redmine htdocs. Here the command that you have to do now is bundle install. This command is going to install all the required gems for your plugin. The next one is the migration command. Here the very important thing is that into the name section you have to set the name of the plugin you are trying to install. In our situation it is Redmine/questions. So we wait a little bit for the migration to be done, and that's it. Our migration is successfully done. So the last thing that you have to do is to open our Bitnami stack manager and then restart the processes. It is done via the Restart All button. So you just click on it and wait for a couple of seconds. So our Bitnami stack in Redmine are successfully restarted. So we go to our page and just refresh the page as well. So it also takes some time. So it is done. The Redmine Questions plugin is successfully installed on our Bitnami stack Redmine that is installed on Linux operating system. So thank you very much for watching this video and see you into the next one. Bye bye for now.